In this video, we will see about Loan Trap Part 4. Smart loan versus dangerous loan. Soft openings. If you have reached this part, you are no longer asking how to escape loans. You are asking when and if loans should ever be used again. This is the most misunderstood part of money. Loans are not always evil, but most people use them in dangerous ways. In this part, we separate truth from illusion. Why people are confused about loans? People are confused because loans look helpful. They promise comfort today and responsibility tomorrow. Tomorrow feels far away. Interest feels invisible. This is how loans become traps. Understanding this psychology is important. The first truth about smart loans. A smart loan creates income. A dangerous loan creates expense. This single sentence can protect your future. If a loan does not help you earn more, it is silently taking your freedom. Ahmed's first smart loan. After years of debt, Ahmed avoided loans completely. But life taught him a deeper lesson. One day, Ahmed needed a loan for skill development. This skill directly increased his income. The loan had low interest, clear purpose, fixed repayment plan. This loan worked for him, not against him. This is what makes a loan smart. Why most people loans are dangerous? Most people loans do not build value. They hide problems instead of solving them. They are used for lifestyle upgrades, emotional relief, social pressure. Once the relief ends, the payments remain. This is how cycle begin. The difference between need and desire. Need is survival. Desire is emotional comfort. Loans should never be used for desire. When desire controls borrowing, regret follows. Learning this difference saved Ahmed from repeating mistakes. EMI is not affordability. People say, I can afford the EMI. This sentence destroys future. Affordability means emergency savings, exit income is stable. Repayment does not create stress. EMI only means delay, not affordability. Housing loans, truth without romance. Home loans are often called good loans. That is not always true. A house is security, but a house beyond your capacity becomes pressure. Ahmed learned that smaller homes bring peace, bigger loans bring anxiety. A peaceful home is better than a proud address. Education loans, powerful but risky. Education loans can change lives, they can also destroy confidence. They are smart only when the education has real demand. The repayment timeline is realistic. Borrowing without clarity creates pressure before income begins. Education must increase value, not stress. Business loans, not for beginners. Business loans sound exciting. They promise growth and independence. But business income is unstable in early years. Ahmed waited until cash flow was predictable, risk was calculated, emergency fund existed. Borrowing too early kills business quietly. Credit cards, the most dangerous loans. Credit cards are easy. That is why they are dangerous. They remove the pain of spending. Pain delay is pain multiplied. Ahmed used credit cards only as payment tools, never as borrowing tools. That mindset prevented future traps. Emotional borrowing is the worst borrowing. Borrowing during stress is a red flag. Borrowing during excitement is another red flag. Strong emotions weaken judgment, like Ahmed made one rule. Another example is that no borrowing decision during emotional states. This rule saved him many times. The safest checklist before any loan. Before means that before any loan, Ahmed asked himself, with this increase income or stability, can I repay? Can I repay even if income reduces? Do I have emergency savings? Is my mind calm right now? If one answer was no, the loan was rejected. Simple rules prevent complex problems. Why people, why rich people use loans differently? Rich people do not use loans to survive. They use loans to expand. They already have cash flow, buffers, disciplines. Copying their loans without their foundation is dangerous. Context matters means that social media lies about loans. Social media shows success, not stress. It shows result, not repayments. People rarely show the anxiety behind borrowed success. Comparing yourself to borrowed lifestyle is unfair to yourself. Peace is more valuable than speed. Many people borrow to grow faster. They forget to ask if they need to grow that fast. Slow progress with peace is better than fast progress with fear. Ahmed chose peace. Another question is that the role of patience in financial freedom. Answer is that simple loans promised speed. Freedom requires patience. Ahmed accepted slower growth. That acceptance protected his sleep and health. Money should support life, not consume it. The final rule about loans. Ahmed's final rule was simple. If a loan threatens sleep, it threatens the future. No opportunity is worth constant anxiety. Loans are tools. Tools can build or destroy. The difference is wisdom. If you ever borrow, borrow with clarity, purpose, protection. Never borrow to impress, never borrow to escape emotions, never borrow without understanding the cost. Remember this. A smart loan serves your future. A dangerous loan steals it silently. Freedom is not about having more. Freedom is about needing less. That is the lesson. I hope you have learned from this topic.